If you can't factory reset or restore your iPhone normally from the settings, maybe you forgot your passcode and now you're locked out, or your iPhone is unresponsive, here's how easily you can restore your iPhone using a Windows PC in less than a minute. So, the first step is installing the Apple Devices application on your Windows PC. If you don't have it installed, just go to Microsoft Store, search Apple Devices, then install and open it. Now grab your iPhone's charging cable, which in our case is a Type-C to Type-C, and connect your iPhone to your PC using the cable. Now that they're connected, you'll simply need to force reboot your iPhone. And to do that, quickly press the volume up, followed by the volume down, and hold down the side button right after that. Keep holding it, then you'll see the Apple logo, and then you'll see the restore screen. There you go. Now we can keep our iPhone aside and look at the pop-up that you got on your PC. It says there's a problem with your iPhone, so if you're trying to troubleshoot your iPhone, then you should try updating it first. But if you want to restore and erase everything that's on your iPhone, then choose Restore. And as you can see here, after restoring, it will also install the latest iOS update. So click on Restore and Update, click Next. Now the app will start downloading your iPhone's software update, which you will see at the bottom. So be patient and keep an eye on the progress. Sometimes, while the download is ongoing, the iPhone may get disconnected and you'll see this Apple Devices screen. But don't worry, all you gotta do is force restart the iPhone once again while it's plugged in, then click on Restore again and restore an update. Now your computer will resume the software download right from where it got interrupted, as you can see written here. Just make sure you have enough storage space so that the download doesn't get interrupted. Now when the download finishes, it will say extracting software on the app and your iPhone will take several restarts. So during the whole process, do not unplug your iPhone. Now the status on the progress bar will keep changing, and you can see it's now verifying, restoring the firmware, and then the software. And when you're done, it will say your iPhone has been restored to factory settings. So wait until your iPhone pops up on the app. You can also close this pop-up by pressing on OK, and in most cases it will show an error occurred activating your device. Don't freak out, and don't press the eject button. Just let your iPhone do its thing and come back online. Now you can see here, your iPhone is locked to owner, which is you. So don't worry, swipe up, go through the setup process, and now to remove the activation lock, just put in your Apple ID and passcode. There you go. Also during the setup, if you have a backup of your iPhone on your PC, you can select Restore using a Mac or a PC, then disconnect it from your computer, reconnect it, and now you can click on Restore from this backup and choose one of your backups, then press Continue. And if you don't have a backup, you can just skip this step. But as we have one, we're gonna restore ours. So now go through the rest of the setup prompts and finally, your iPhone is back on track. So go ahead and enjoy your revived iPhone 17. And if this helped, make sure to give your feedback and I'll see you around.